Hey y'all! I know I just started working on the Regency foundations. I'm not putting them away, I'm putting them aside, and I have a Renaissance festival that is, now it's probably only two and a half weeks away, and I decided that I wanted to dress up for it. I was planning on not attending any Renaissance festivals until next year, but I don't know, I saw a billboard and I just felt like I needed to go. And I decided that I'm gonna wear trunk hose, or I'm gonna attempt trunk hose. I don't know why. If I have a short time frame, I want to do the most complicated thing ever. This is just gonna be fun. I'm completely winging everything. This morning I was running around like crazy. I put mobile orders in for trim and the fabric that I thought I was gonna use, and it was pure chaos. I went and picked up at one store. They had everything that I wanted, and then there wasn't enough of the trim at that store, so I ordered it from another one. So I flew over to that one, and they didn't have any of that trim. I had to run inside and grab. I actually returned the original trim, and I bought this Yaya Han trim that I thought would go perfectly. I have my bubble tea. I have my black and gold fabrics and trim, and I'm gonna go probably create a lot of chaos and not have a clue what I'm doing, but we're gonna get some trunk hose and we're gonna wear them, and we're gonna go get some ale and a turkey leg. I probably have to make a top then. Oh no, I'm not prepared for anything. Let's just go cut out the pattern that I made. I've already took the time off camera to work up a basic pattern. I didn't think it would be incredibly helpful or entertaining for anyone to watch that, as I just kind of made it up. I traced a pair of 80s shorts pattern pieces and kind of just figured out what I thought would work to make this silhouette. I'm marking the top layer, which I'm going to use to create the panels. I'm marking my cut lines, and then I'm going to attach my trim to each panel. Halfway through my first panel, I realized I need more trim or I will not be able to finish this. I'm just going to order that real quick and go pick it up. I'm this far in both panels and I only have this much trim left, so I'm gonna finish this last row, and then I'll probably end up cutting off one of these and we'll make it work because I'm not tracking down any more of this trim for now. I'm attaching interfacing to the top piece, and I think I'm actually going to slash these just to give it a little more dimension and make it fun. I am gonna line these with this gold fabric that I found. I don't know if anyone else finds it as nerve-wracking as I do to cut into something you've started working on. It's very stressful. I'm not sure the proper way to do this either, so what I've decided to do is cut out the panels and then stitch the lining to them directly. It is Saturday morning. I have 1 week until this Renaissance Fair, and the only thing that I've done so far is to make these panels, which look really good. So I'm glad I spent the time on those. But now I need to start working on the shorts pattern. Not the pattern. I need to start working on the shorts. So I used an old pattern and I basically lengthened the width of it so that I could gather it down to be nice and poofy, or generally poofy. I'm not going for full poof, just some poof. And originally I gave myself the idea to cartridge pleat them because I thought that was more likely of how they would have made it poofy, along with inserting some kind of stuffing into the shorts. But modern day walking around a Renaissance Fair in Florida weather, even in the fall, it just doesn't seem like something I want to do. Since I haven't even finished these trunk hose and now I'm thinking I need a doublet, we're just gonna gather. All right, so the shorts are together and I'm feeling nervous because this has been a lot. And also it's something new and I really don't want to disappoint myself and them not fit. I'm gonna try these on real quick. Okay, so I can't lie, I am super freaking excited about these. I don't know, I really got nervous about it, but okay, so we got some movement and it looks a little odd right now because I have this like big empty space in the front where like the cod piece would go, and I have kind of like empty space in the back just because I didn't have enough trim to bring the panel all the way around. I don't think I care about that. I might just leave it. Or I might play around and see if I can do something with the back. But I have it open here so that I can make eyelets and tie it there and do the same up front, but I really don't like cod pieces. It's just a little much for me. I mean, they're really, really entertaining and I love all the art. I don't have a folder of them. But the front piece will have this and I'm going to decorate that with, I have just enough trim to decorate that piece, so it'll go up front, but okay, so I'm excited. I need a really, 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 really quick 16th century roughly shirt. to go with my costume that I want to wear in one day. I just realized something kind of important when I was going to thread, and that is that I broke my needle last time I was sewing with it, and I have no more. I finished the top for this look. The only finished pieces inside, or like the nicely done pieces, are the collar and the cuff pieces, because I know those will be moving around a lot and people will be able to see them. The insides of this I won't be showing on camera at all. It's just put together. But I went to the store earlier and I got some RIT dye. I'm actually terrified to dye things because you just hear everyone's horror stories. I'm gonna give it a try. If I have a tie-dye top, it is a Renaissance Faire, so it will be fitting. Or I won't mind at all. Pretty sure all my shirts that I wear in these videos are my tie-dye sleep shirts anyways.
It's okay.